Welcome to day one of our tour at Durgapur Airport, where we kick off our journey with aerodrome operations. Aerodrome operations cover everything related to the safe and efficient movement of aircraft, both on the ground and in the airfield. Today our students are exploring the intricacies of runway management, including maintenance, lighting and surface inspections that ensure smooth operations. They're getting a close look at the engineering behind taxiways, aprons and the runways, all designed to accommodate different aircraft and weather conditions. By observing these processes firsthand, students gain an appreciation for the meticulous planning and teamwork that keeps air traffic moving seamlessly.